Hello students, welcome to the YouTube channel. In our today's video, I am going to discuss with you all a new chapter, that is the adverb. According to your Renan Martin book, you have to turn to page number 106. So going to start with the definition first, and after that I'll be discussing with you all the kinds of adverb. First of all, you understand the definition of adverb. What is adverb? So an adverb is a word, or more than a word also you can say, which tells more about an adjective or a verb or another adverb. Suppose two adverbs are there in a sentence, so it can tell more about another adverb. If you tell it in formal language, so it will be told an adverb is that word or more than a word which modifies, instead of telling, or it can also be said add meaning to adjective, verb or another adverb. Now with the help of examples, I will explain you how an adverb can modify a verb, or it can modify an adjective, or it can modify another adverb. I will give you 3 examples, and one by one I will explain you. First example, which I am taking from your book only, the 3 examples I am taking from your book and I am explaining you. First example, that is Rama runs quickly. Here you see Rama, that is subject, and Rama is noun. Runs, here runs is verb, and quickly, how does he run? So he runs quickly. So here quickly is adverb. So this adverb quickly, how does he run? So he run quickly. It tells more about verb. So here quickly is adverb and runs is a verb. So here quickly, the adverb, modifies the verb. Which verb? Runs. Now in the second example, this is a very sweet mango. Here you see I am explaining you the parts of speech first. Now this, here this is pronoun, is verb, a, that is article, very, here very is adverb, sweet adjective, mango noun. So in this particular sentence, this is a very sweet mango. Here sweet is adjective. And how much sweet the mango is? So the mango is very sweet. So here very, that is an adverb, tells more about adjective. Now the third one, Govind reads quite clearly. Here you see Govind, noun, reads verb, quite adverb, and clearly it is also an adverb. So in this particular sentence you can see there are 2 adverbs, right? First adverb, that is clearly, and second adverb, that is quite. So here the word quite, which is an adverb, tells more about, or you can also say modifies the another adverb, that is clearly. So this is what we have learnt about adverb, right? You simply understand. I am explaining you again. You simply understand an adverb is a word which modifies or tells more about a verb, adjective or another adverb. Now, after this we are going to discuss about the 9 kinds of adverb. But we are going to discuss in this video, we are going to discuss only the 3 kinds of adverbs. In the next video, I'll be discussing the other 6. So first of all, we are going to discuss adverbs of time, right? So adverbs of time shows when the action was, or when it answers the question when. For example, I have heard this before. When have I heard this? So I've heard this before. So in this particular sentence, I have heard this before. If I just break the sentences into parts of speeches, so you will see I, that is subject and pronoun, have, that is verb, helping verb, heard, that is main verb, this, here this is what? You tell me. This is pronoun. Now before. Now before here is adverb. So it answers the question when. You remember, adverbs of time answers the question when. So I have heard this before. Here before is adverb of time. Now second one, we shall now begin to work. Here now, which answers the question when, right, is an adverb. Now the second kind of adverb is adverbs of place. Now adverbs of place it answers the question where. For example, he looked up. Where did he look? So he looked up. So it answers the question where. Now the second example if I give you, here my brother is out. Where is my brother? So my brother is out. Here out is adverb. And which adverb? Adverb of place. Now the third kind of adverb which we are going to discuss in this video, that is adverbs of manner. Now adverbs of manner will answer the question how or in what manner, right? For example, I'll give you two examples and then I will explain you. First example, Govind reads clearly. Now how does Govind read? So he reads clearly. Here clearly answers the question. Clearly answers the question in what manner. In what manner Govind read? So he reads clearly. So here clearly is adverb, and which adverb? Adverb of manner. Now the second example which I'm mentioning now, the boy works hard. So how did the boy how does the boy work? So the boy works hard. So here hard is adverb, and here hard is adverb of manner. So I'm just revising whatever stuffs we have discussed today. So first of all, we have discussed the definition of adverb, and the definition of adverb is an adverb is a word which tells more about verb or adjective or another adverb. So this is the simple definition. In 9th standard, when I will be discussing about adverbs again, so that time the definition of adverb will be more complex. It will be more. It tells more. It tells not only about verb, adjective, or another adverb. It tells more about many other things also. So I'm just going to give you the short glimpse of the adverb according to your book, okay, according to your standard, that is 7th standard. So you simply remember here that the definition of adverb is this, that it tells more about verb, adjective, or another adverb, okay. Now the three kinds of adverbs we have discussed today, that is adverb of time, adverb of place, and adverb of manner. Now students, according to this video, one assignment will be attached to it, and in that assignment 6 to 7 questions will be there. I'm explaining you what you have to do in that question. You just have to simply underline what is adverb, and you have to circle, right? You have to circle that adverb modifies what. If it modifies verb, so you will circle that verb. If it modifies adjective, so you will circle the adjective. If it modifies the another adverb, so you will circle the another adverb, okay. Now after circling the word which it modifies, and after underlining the adverbs, one more thing you have to do in each question, that is you have to write, or you can mention the type of adverb, okay. So these things you have to do that, and all these questions you are going to write on your English language copy, okay. I will see in the next video, in which I am going to discuss with you all the other 6 kinds of adverbs, okay. Till then, you take care. Bye bye.